Welcome back, my friends. This is by request how to install what is perhaps the most popular Linux-based operating system in the world. Coming up. Alright, so for this demonstration we're going to go to the alternative downloads from the Ubuntu.com website. And what I want to do here is to scroll down, and right here we have previous releases of Ubuntu. And the reason why I am doing this, we're going to install this as a dual boot in one of my fabulous Thinkpad machines. Now the Thinkpad I have several. It is a 32-bit machine. And as you can see, the latest versions of Ubuntu 18.04 and 18.10, they no longer support 32-bit. So we'll have to go to the previous 16.04.5 and scroll down to the desktop version 32-bit and download that, which I already have. It's on my desktop right here. So after doing that, if you haven't already, download the Etcher USB Flash OS image creator, and we're going to use this to create a bootable USB flash drive. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Okay, so I have already inserted my USB 16 gigabyte flash drive as you see here, which is a generic USB flash drive. So select image. I believe we can just grab and drag this over here if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we can. So let's go ahead and click flash. Now if you were running obviously a 64-bit system, you should download the 64-bit version of Ubuntu. Alright, as you can see, this first step is done. It says flash complete. So from here what I will do is remove the Ubuntu USB bootable stick and plug it into the Thinkpad to continue. Alright, welcome back. So this Thinkpad originally had Windows 7 and is a Centrino Duo by Intel. Sorry for the fuzziness there. I'm just using my Logitech camera that I use normally for the live shows. Turn on the Thinkpad. I'm going to hit the Thinkpad blue button to interrupt the startup. And startup interrupt menu. We're going to choose F12 to choose a temporary startup device. In this case, my flash drive, which has Ubuntu. And we want to not try but install Ubuntu. And yes, I will connect to the Wi-Fi to the internet. Now I'm running this on my laptop, so if you're doing this on a laptop, make sure it's plugged in to avoid any interruption. It says here, and once again I know it's kind of fuzzy, it says here download updates while installing. Definitely click that. Install third-party software for graphics, another, yeah, definitely click that too. I did not. Install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10. That's the one you should be clicking. Normally I would click the one at the bottom where it says something else for custom partitioning. You will not do that. Yeah, you will just click install alongside Windows 10, write the changes to disk, yes, continue. Yep, New York time zone, continue. English keyboard, continue. Alright, so obviously type in your name. I just typed in toss. And for the password, since this is just a test, I will not be keeping this Ubuntu. I just typed in 123, and of course it says short password. It's too short, of course. And require my password to log in. That's the one you should choose also, and click continue. And guess what? That's it. When it is done, it'll ask you to reboot. Remove the USB flash drive, reboot your computer, and yeah, you will have the option of booting into Windows 10 or Ubuntu. That's it. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.